Hello my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have, and the topic of this video: fix signal dropping, no service, SOS only, searching iPhone. Okay, it's not a problem. So this is one of the simplest and most effective methods to date. Let's get started and do everything step by step. So click like when I will get hard. You get hard too. It's very good when ours are standing. Likes, thank you, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So my best friends, I press you two-way how to soft reset with hardware case and clear the cache your iPhone. Two very cool and very effective methods. Let's go. So first we need to clear the cache on the iPhone, otherwise the method will not work. So it's very cool methods. So I press button turn off or turn on and press button volume down and 2-3 seconds and choose slide to power off and my iPhone and your iPhone turn off. Yeah, mate. So I press button turn off or turn on and your iPhone loading. We waiting just a little more, guys. Hold on, waiting, hold on. So completed and done. So insert passcode your iPhone. Yeah, so it's one step. Yeah. So I show you two very effective way how to soft reset with hardware case your iPhone. Okay, cancel. So press the volume up and then the volume down and then the off button and hold until the Apple logo appears. Okay, I press volume down, I press volume up, volume down, and press button turn off or turn on and hold until the Apple logo appears. Hold 5-10 seconds. So waiting, completed. Yeah, guys, and dear girls, mates, and done. So your iPhone loading, we waiting. So here completed and enter passcode your iPhone and fix signal dropping, no service, SOS only, searching iPhone. Check if this method works for you. So okay, finish it methods. Bonus it. Okay, settings, we go settings and search, click search and typing the text resets, general reset network settings. Yeah, it's very cool methods and effective. Reset network settings and enter your passcode and done. Okay, guys and beautiful girls, I showed you the first methods. It is very effective. Check if this method works for you. Free methods, free, great, very cool. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you. Click like, then I will get hard to you get hard to. It's very good when ours are standing. Likes, thank you, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. Yeah, leave comments, subscribe to the channel. Bye.